If
What
they
are
were
you
indeed
arguing
suffering
here?
from severe,
Negligence or
and I
what?
reiterate,
Yo, she
severe
taking her time,
emotional
dog.
distress, it is unlikely
Ricardo, what
that
are the
this would
exact
be
charges
applied to
here
them. Therefore, the
that you're
plaintiff's
suing
burden
under?
to prove that
Negligence
Mr.
and emotional
Romano's
distress.
conduct caused
Okay.
severe emotional distress despite the wrongfulness of his behavior.
She's gonna go hard. I'm gonna go hard with the jury
The
instructions.
standard here is not whether Mr.
Oh, God.
Geronimo's behavior was improper. That is not the argument. Certainly, he should not have served rotten meat to paying customers. But what we're looking at here is whether this caused emotional distress to the plaintiffs, which certainly did not happen in this case. The plaintiffs don't even have a business account. However, the business has not had any complaints since the incident and has worked hard to ensure that customers are satisfied. The prosecution will attempt to prove today that it was the fault of Burger Shot for causing severe emotional distress and harming Pillbox employees with their negligent behavior. But I ask you to remember the following questions. What harm? What distress? Please do not allow yourself to be misconstrued by a sad story. I am more than positive that you will see the flaws in their case. However, we, as the defense, will shine light and reason so that you may know the facts of this case. We will show, beyond a reasonable doubt, that although saddening and disgusting this situation is, Burger Shot should not be responsible because the requisite damages never occurred. Thank you.
Plaintiff, your first witness. That thunder came at a good moment, dog.
All right.
That wasn't thunder, dog.
Plaintiff calls Mr. Brian.
What was it?
That was
No, that was
somebody
Thunder
playing something on
Chiefs.
YouTube.
What?
It's from Criminal
Other side,
Minds.
other side.
The back.
Oh.
That's hilarious, dog.
Put your hands in the air for me.
The chorus sounds so
Please swear
good.
to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you whatever deity you choose to believe in.
I do.
Alright, you may take the stand.
You may begin.
All right, Mr. Liu, how you doing today?
Pretty good. How about yourself?
I'm doing all right. Can you tell the court what you do for a living?
Yeah, I'm a full-time paramedic at Pillbox.
How long you been doing that?
3.5, 4 months.
You know the city well?
Decently. I don't really get out of the hospital much, but I'd say so.
Okay. Can you tell us about any visit that you had to Burger Shot prior to the incident?
I cannot actually. I think that was one of my first few days in the city.
Tell me more about that then. When you visited Burger Shot, how was the experience?
Initially it was really good. Spirits were high. We just came back from a training exercise. I know our chief had offered to buy us Burger Shot, so we went in there with big smiles, and we were hungry, so we were ready.
Okay. Do you remember what you all ordered?
I believe we got 3 bleeders
And what did you?
3 Diet Cokes.
What did you all receive?
We received rotten meat, normal non-diet cola, and fries, soggy fries.
If I were to show you that rotten meat, would you recognize it today in the courtroom?
Yes.
Your Honor, permission to show the rotting meat.
Go ahead.
Is this the rotting meat that you were served?
Yes.
And you were given this by a Burger Shot employee?
Yes, sir.
All right, Your Honor, can I put this away? It kind of smells.
God, Jesus.
You may. You may.
All right. Now, sir, upon seeing that the meat was spoiled, what happened?
My heart sank, honestly. I had to fight the urge to, vomit all over the place and control myself. It kind of stunk up the whole establishment once we opened the bags up to see what we'd gotten.
And what happened after that? Did you go talk to any of the Burger Shot employees about what happened?
Yeah, so our chief went and asked. He said, hey, you served us spoiled meat and the wrong colas. Is there something you want to do about it? And I remember one employee there who served us, I believe.
That meat probably
he kind of started talking back to the chief.
I
and
think
kind of
we
smirked
brought
a little
up, it'll
bit,
be
like
alright.
he knew what he did on purpose.
Yeah, bro, it's
Now, were there any other employees in the shop at the time?
I believe there might have been one, but I think he was in the back.
Okay. Now, when talking to that employee who served you all the meat after he made this smirk at you, did he ever make an attempt to try and give you all what you ordered?
After a few minutes of arguing back and forth, he finally did after another employee ran in.
Okay. What did you all receive finally?
I think we just got 3 bleeders.
Did you all receive those Cokes that you ordered?
No, sir, we never received those.
Were you reimbursed for that payment?
I do not believe so.
Now, after going to Burger Shot, have you been able to go back since?
I have not, no.
Why not?
Personally, it's really hard when that's normally the only shop open in the city late night. But that one time where we basically, I've had experiences where I've been, I went back one time with a couple of my friends when I was off duty. And I remember that we didn't even get to order our food, but they locked us in there. And that was my second experience. So the reason I haven't been back since is because I'm kind of scared. I'm fearful of my life. I'm fearful that I'm gonna, possibly be robbed or something after they lock me in the store again. So we've been doing nothing but eating, cafeteria sandwiches and water.
Is that a good meal for EMS working overnight?
I mean, it gets the job done, but it's not, what we would prefer. It usually takes a couple sandwiches just due to the, poor nutrition of everything.
So you would describe those meals as poor nutrition?
Yes.
Objection, argumentative.
Sustained. Next question.
Yes, Your Honor. I have no further questions, actually.
Any cross?
Yes, Your Honor.
My bad.
Sorry, no, my fault.
Damn, bro, she just fucked him.
I have one question. Did you ever eat the meat?
And no, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor. No further questions.
That's so good. Where's
Any redirect on that
You got that
question?
meat, bro.
No redirect, Your Honor.
Alright, so you can retake your seat. Any additional witnesses?
Yes, Your Honor. We'd call EMS Hal to the stand.
If you would have told me we were against rape.
He looks like a chia pet.
Oh, no.
What's going on? Is someone's doing the thunder over there?
No, not
No,
the
they're
thunder,
doing
but they're doing
the the judge thing from
judge
Criminal
thing.
Minds.
Yeah.
The don't.
Oh, sorry. Fuck.
Yeah.
Don't.
I can't hear if we're here.
They keep every time you.
Every time I talk.
do it.
You choose to believe in.
So help me, Dizzy.
All right, you are sworn in. You may take a stand.
All right.
May I receive a question, Your Honor?
Go
You may.
ahead. About to be some good questions and wait here.
You may.
How you doing today, sir?
I'm good.
Do you remember going to Burger Shot with Mr. Liu over there?
Yes, I did.
Can you tell me about how that interaction began when you guys first went to the restaurant?
Obviously, like Mr. Lewis said, we went in. We were just after training. It was a good day of training. We were all hungry, good spirits. Ordered our meals and did not get what we ordered.
Tell me a little bit about that. You say you didn't get what you ordered. Who actually ordered the food?
Myself.
And what did you order?
2 bleeders and a heart stopper meal with Diet Coke on all 3.
And did you receive that?
Well, the meat was spoiled in the meals, but the sodas were not.
All right. Once you saw the spoiled meat in the bag, what did you do?
I brought attention to the gentleman that had served us.
All right, and I want you to be very detailed with this. Exactly what happened when you were talking to that gentleman?
They tried to tell me that I put it there, which is kind of hard to do when I don't have the ingredients to make their sandwiches. And then it took a few minutes of going back and forth before another gentleman appeared, and he finally took it and threw it in the trash. And they gave us our sandwiches.
You say back and forth, but for the court's record, I'd like you to be a bit more specific. Exactly what are the things you remember being said?
I told them that the meat was bad, told me that I put it there and that there was no way that they put it there. And then, like, I don't even know exactly what was said because it's been a while now, but it definitely started getting a little bit heated until the other employee showed up.
All right. And do you know the employee that was getting what you would consider heated with you?
It was Girolamo or something like that.
Okay.
I've seen
Have
him a
you?
few times. I call him Giro personally because he stops by the hospital a lot since this incident.
Okay. Do you know at all what Jiro does at Burger Shot?
Last I knew, he was just a counter jockey.
Okay. And so after getting rid of the disposed meat and going about your way, have you been able to go back to Burger Shot?
I put faith in Berkshire. I went back because obviously the other gentleman was very remorseful of the situation. Mr. Giro there was kind of smirking about the whole thing. And I've been able to get a sandwich once before, but then I had stomach issues from that one as well.
All right. And how does having stomach issues from Burger Shot affect your ability to eat while on duty?
It kind of makes me fearful to eat. If someone needs my help and I'm in the bathroom because of something in the food, I can't do my job.
Thank you. I have no further questions, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor. Hal, have you spoken with Jiro since the incident, aside from your interactions at Pillbox?
Occasionally he'll stop by. I'll jump in his car with him. I mean, Giro, I don't know.
Are you suing just on behalf of Mr. Liu?
What they think sometimes, but I give him the
I
benefit
think
of
so,
the
yeah.
doubt, but he
Okay,
has
Because,
that weird
yeah,
smirk
at first it was all
that-
three, but I don't think the other two wanted
How
to
have your
at the last minute.
interactions been since the incident with Jiro?
like an older brother to a younger brother, I would say.
Did you consume the meat at Burger Shot?
The day of the rotten meat? No.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Any redirect on those issues?
No, Your Honor.
Alright, sir, you may retake your seat. Any additional witnesses by the plaintiff?
I love you, Hal!
Silence in the
Alright.
courtroom.
Then you had a hip, but you didn't eat the rotten meat.
Damn, bro. Maybe we can eat
Yeah.
that meat. I bet it's good.
Plaintiff has no further witnesses, Your Honor. We rest.
Defense?
How to eat the damn it.
Yes, I would like to call to the stand Aiden.
Aiden, please take the stand.
Alright, could you put your hand in the air for me? Yeah, perfect. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you whatever deity you choose to believe in?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. You may take a stand.
Good afternoon, Aiden. Do you mind telling us what your job is here in Los Santos?
I'm an employee at Burger Shot.
And how long have you been working at Burger Shot?
2 weeks.
Since you started working at Burger Shot, have you
God.
received any complaints?
Nope.
How has your feedback been about the establishment?
All good so far.
Have you ever seen the two parties interacting with one another throughout the city?
Yeah.
Do you mind describing those interactions for me?
Objection, Your Honor. It's irrelevance.
What's the relevance, ma'am?
Eat that completely well.
The friendly interaction pertaining to the emotional distress.
Yeah,
They
thank
were
you, bro.
emotionally distressed. They wouldn't
Yeah,
be
we- that's
speaking
what
to one
they
another
did.
throughout the
Yeah,
city.
bro.
Overruled. Answer the question.
Yeah. Chilling outside Pillbox, just friendly conversations and yeah.
All right, no further questions, Your Honor.
Any cross?
You may take
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, they got a claw. We heal.
Can I begin?
Bro.
You may.
You know, I bet he
Aiden,
got as
was it?
close to thrift store, Pappy.
How you
that's
doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
Looks like my grandpa.
I'm doing all right. You work at
Looks like
Burger Shot,
Grandpa
correct?
Boxiar,
I do.
Pappy.
Yeah.
How long you been working there?
2 weeks.
You know who Jero Raffaello is?
Yeah.
Do you know his position within Burger Shot?
Wonder if he was wearing
Yeah.
our grandpa's
What is
clothes.
his position?
Now the owner.
Yeah, yeah. That's why I claim red velvet.
So he's an owner of Burger Shot.
Now he is. It's
Do you know when he became?
maybe like 4 days ago, if that's an estimate.
Okay. You. So you weren't on scene when this event occurred at all?
Nope.
You hadn't even been hired then?
Nope.
You can't testify to any of the interactions?
With Holland, with Holland Jero.
Yes, between Hal and Jiro, or actually between my client, Mr. Liu, and Jiro.
No.
And you were mentioned earlier that you were seeing positive interactions. I just want to be clear for the court. You were talking about Hal, correct?
Yeah.
You've never actually seen my client talk to Mr. Raffaello outside of Burger Shot, have you?
Not that I know of, no.
You've actually never seen my client talk to Jiro Raffaello at all, have you?
I don't know him, so no.
No further questions.
Any redirect on those issues?
No, Your Honor.
So you're dismissed. Any additional witnesses?
Oh, why now he met. Welcome
No,
back
sir.
to the court case. Do I get that
Closing
down?
statements at this
That's
time by the
down.
plaintiff.
They're doing closing statement. That means they win.
Yes, Your Honor.
I don't know, Pappy.
May I
I don't
proceed?
know what happens, bro.
Meh.
Opposing counsel.
Bro, why
Your
does
Honor.
that man right there have a baton?
Members of the jury. All
Okay,
you've
go
heard
ahead.
throughout today is the fact that Burger Shot simply did the wrong thing. Regardless of what they tried to do afterward to improve their reputation, regardless of any new hires that they make, regardless of any change in safety protocols, that doesn't erase the mistake that they made already. Sure, it makes the situation a bit better, but it doesn't help my client. Mr. Liu is a hard-working EMS individual.
Bro, this guy's never on shift, ever.
He decided that he was going to take a short break and go out for dinner that night, and that was all ruined. Because what you heard today was an employee who is now actually an owner of that establishment, sold them spoiled meat, argued with them about it, and it took another employee to come and rectify the situation. Not only that, you heard about how my client suffered another dangerous situation at that same exact
Bro,
establishment.
let's get at that motherfucker, bro.
And now, despite what the defense wants to try and argue, and tell you that they've made better choices, and tell you that they're doing everything to try and not have these instances occur again, you hear that the prime suspect is now an owner. Members of the jury, if that doesn't make it any more clear than it has to be, then there's nothing else to it. It's simply put that Burger Shot here made a mistake. You're clearly rewarding that person that made the mistake for it, and that my client is suffering harm because of it. When a person decides to put their life down on the city and work for hours and hours at a time for the citizens, they deserve a good meal. At the very least, they deserve what they paid for. And even in the end of all this, members of the jury, he still never got his Diet Coke. There's a clear showing of negligence. There's clear emotional distress being shown. And regardless of how much better Burger Shot tries to be after the fact, it does not absolve them of any of the guilt that they had for that prior incident. We ask you to find them liable for negligence and for the emotional distress that they caused Mr. Liu. Because as an EMS, he deserves to get what he paid for. And that's absolutely not what happened. Thank you.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor. Members of the jury, I would like to remind you that what we're looking at today is not whether what Burger Shot did was right or wrong, but whether those involved actually suffered damages as a result of such. You need only look at the amount of money the Pillbox employees have asked to be awarded in this case to understand that this is something very important. And it's not just important to them, it's important to Mr. Brandt, who is present here behind me also. And so, on his behalf and the remainder of Burger Shot, I do appreciate the attention you've given this case. Mr. Howe, Brian, and Charles were involved in an incident. We all know that it happened a while ago. I'm sure that upon this occurring, Burger Shot did not expect to be here 3 months later trying to defend themselves. But when counsel for the Pillbox employees presents to you this evidence of rotting meat and suggests to you that this act was intentional, it is nonsense. Mr. Brandt has every right to defend himself in this case, and that's all we're doing. So my job is to defend the Burger Shot establishment, and I hope that I've lived up to their expectations. I hope I lived up to your expectations in terms of presenting to you the evidence fairly in this case. If you go back to the jury room and you disagree with me, which is your perfect right to do so, then I would expect you to find against Burgershot if that's what you find collectively, considering all of the evidence and the lack thereof. We're not asking you to do anything other than base your decision on the evidence that you've heard, as well as the instructions the judge has given to you on what the law is as we know. We put forth to you evidence in this case and did so with the hope that it would help guide you in your deliberations and guide you to make the right decision here. And believe me, I feel strongly that the right decision in this case is 100% opposite of what Chief Justice here was saying. Please, please, please
Dude, what
do
if
not
we held
forget
up
that
Castle,
the burden
dude?
of proof here rests with the plaintiffs affected by this tragedy, because they are the ones that are claiming these exorbitant amounts of money in a case where no damages have been proven. Thousands of dollars, and saying this gentleman over here caused the plaintiffs these damages. Hopefully you know better than that. Hopefully the evidence presented and the lack thereof has persuaded you otherwise, but that's the burden of proof. Counsel, believe me, is very experienced. They're very aggressive and they have every right to advance their clients' interests. But we on the defense side also have a right to represent our clients, and that's all I hope we have done in your eyes, and represented them fairly. Now, in terms of the burden of proof, counsel I think was kind of clever in using this little flip to blame Burgershot for not firing Mr. Girolamo, as if you needed to hear anything further on this topic after this trial. However, I would like to note that the owners of Burgershot were only served with a complaint for this today, 3 months later. Upon talking to my client earlier today, he was fully unaware of the situation and incapable of even explaining to me what happened. Since the situation has happened, it is impossible to fire Mr. Girolamo because he has since been promoted to majority owner of the establishment.
Actually,
So Mr. Brent is incapable of removing his title, which he would have been able to do had they been served with the papers months ago. Had they been properly served at the proper time, it is very likely that this would have been the first action
he's
Burgershot
losing
would
this
have taken
case,
in
dude.
handling the situation to ensure that nothing further occurred. And the credibility of these parties. I would like to speak for just a moment on that credibility. As the judge instructed you, it's your job to determine
Holy
their
cow.
credibility and your job to assess them as witnesses and decide if they have a motive or not to tell the truth. You may look at Burgershot and say, well, this is an entire establishment. They have lots of money to give for the cause. But let's not lose sight of one very important credibility issue in this case, and that is the business of Mr. Howe and his relationship with Girolamo since the incident. These employees have since been seen in the city, Mr. Howe specifically, communicating with Mr. Girolamo himself. I would like to remind you that severe infliction of emotional distress requires severe emotional distress. Now, I'm not arguing that there's no emotional distress involved in this situation, just that it hasn't reached the level of severe at this point. I believe it's very important, not only as to what was going on with them, but also as to the issue of their credibility. And by the way, that's not to suggest that I'm saying they're liars or they're just out for money or anything like that. That's to suggest
Carter, did you get my
that
message?
they don't have it right and their testimony shouldn't
Yes,
carry
I'm confused.
the amount of weight initially intended. Thank you.
What's the problem?
Never mind, I got it.
Okay.
That right down to the beat.
Alright. Members of the jury have now heard and received all of the evidence in this case. I'm now going to tell you about the rules of law that you must use in reaching your verdict today. Claims in this case are as follows. Mr. Liu, the plaintiff in this case, claims that Burgershot was negligent. Their negligence in this case inflicted an intentional infliction of emotional distress upon him. You will see in this case that the term greater weight of evidence means that one side is more persuasive and convincing force and the effect of the entire evidence in this case. Negligence is the failure to use reasonable care, which is the care that we most reasonably careful person would use under like circumstances. Negligence is doing something that a reasonably careful person would not do under like circumstances, or failing to do something that a reasonably careful person would do under like circumstances. Negligence is a legal cause of damage, injury, or severe emotional distress if it directly and in a natural continuous sequence produces or contributes substantially to producing such damage, so that it can reasonably be said that but for the conduct, the damage would not have occurred. The issues that you have before you in this case are as follows. Burgershot was negligent in causing injury or emotional distress to Mr. Liu by serving the rotten meat and their subsequent treatment of their customers. Burgershot was involved in some way in the event causing the injury. Burgershot owed a duty to Mr. Liu, and Mr. Liu suffered severe emotional distress. Those are the issues that you must weigh upon yourselves when you go back to deliberations. If the greater weight of the evidence does not support Mr. Liu's claim, your verdict should be for Burgershot. However, if the greater weight of the evidence supports Mr. Liu's claim, then your verdict should be for Mr. Liu against Burgershot. In deciding this case, it is your duty as the jurors to decide the issues and only those issues that I submit for your determination. You must all come to an agreement about your verdict, and the verdict must be unanimous. The evidence in this case consists of the sworn testimony of the witnesses and all exhibits that you have seen before you. In reaching your verdict, you must think about and weigh the testimony and any documents or any further evidence you've been presented today. You may also consider any facts that were admitted or agreed to by the lawyers, and your job is to determine what the facts are. You may use reason and common sense to reach conclusions. You may draw reasonable inferences from the evidence, but you should not guess about things that were not covered here. And you must always apply the laws I've explained to you today. Let me speak briefly about the witnesses that you've heard testify today. In evaluating the believability of any witness and the weight you will give the testimony of any witness, you may properly consider the demeanor of the witness while testifying, the frankness or lack of frankness of the witness, the intelligence of the witness, any interest the witness may have had in the outcome of the case, the means and opportunity of the witness to hard know the facts about which the witness testified, the ability of the witnesses to remember the matters about which the witness testified, and the reasonableness of the testimony of the witnesses. Considered in the light of all of the evidence in this case and in the light of your own experience and common sense. As I draw now to the closing instructions, as important members of the jury, you have now heard all of the evidence, my instructions on the law, and you must apply in reaching your verdict in the closing arguments of the attorneys. You will shortly retire to the jury room before you decide this case. During deliberations, jurors must only communicate about the case with one another, and only when all jurors are present in the jury room. You will have inside the jury room, you have a set amount of time to discuss this case and all of the evidence that was received during the trial. In reaching your decision, do not use any research outside of what you have been provided to today. You are to not communicate with any person outside the jury about this case. Until you have reached a verdict, you must not talk about this case in person or through telephone, writing, electronic communication such as a blog, Twitter, email, Discord, text message, or any other means. Do not contact anyone to assist you, such as a family, accountant, doctor, or lawyer. These communications rules apply until I discharge you at the end of the case. If you're in violation of these rules, you will be sentenced to this Bolingbroke Penitentiary for a term of 120 months. If you become aware of any violations of these instructions or any other instruction I've given in this case, you must tell me by giving me a note to the bailiff. Any notes you have taken during the trial may be taken back to the jury room for deliberations. Your notes are simply an aid. Do not treat them as evidence. In reaching your verdict, do not let bias, sympathy, prejudice, public opinion, or any other sentiment against any party influence your decision. Your verdict must be based on the evidence that has been received and the law in which I've instructed you. When you go to the jury room, the first thing you should do is choose a presiding jury to act as the foreperson during your deliberations. The foreperson should see to it that your discussions are orderly and that everyone has a fair chance to speak. It is your duty to talk with one another in the jury room and to consider all the views of all of the jurors. Each of you must decide the case for yourself, but only after you've considered the evidence with each and every other member of the jury. Feel free to change your mind if you are convinced that your position should be different. We should all try to agree. Do not give up unless you believe all honest attempts and beliefs to come to a verdict has been made. Keep an open mind that you and your fellow jurors can easily share ideas about the case. At the end of your deliberations, you should tell me, the judge, that you've come to a verdict by telling the foreperson to hand a note to the bailiff. At this time, I'm going to close the case for jury deliberations. Jurors, please follow the bailiff into the room that you were first selected in. Suck my dick,
His
dog.
timing is so good. Whatever that is, his timing is so good.
Hey dog, you got a spider dog.
Damn, bro. You look like a punk, bro.
You got a spider dog.
Damn, bro. Is that better, bro? Yo, grandpa, bro. You
Good,
want to give
Kappy, how are you?
You want to give like a interview, bro?
Yo, me, bro? Or my lawyer, bro?
Yeah, your lawyer, bro. He's wearing grandpa's clothes, bro. Look
I
at
don't
that
know,
motherfucker, bro.
Yeah, I mean, he's dressed well. He's dressed for the occasion.
Did I just hear glass break?
Talking to me, Pappy?
Yo, Pappy, bro.
Yeah,
Let's
get
go
over here,
rob
get
a
over here,
bank
we got
after
an
this,
interview.
bro.
We got it.
Yeah, we get what I'm doing.
Hell yeah, bro. Let's go rob something after this.
What'd you say?
Did I just fucking do that? You're a joke.
You
Hey,
said that-
I
you
need
guys just
to
said
look
that in front
out.
of the DA
Hey,
and one
can
of
you
the
get the
judges.
fuck out of the way already? Get the fuck out of here. Hey,
Wait,
come over
Castle,
here,
come here.
Yeah, you fucker. Get over here.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, grandpa, bro.
Alright, we're gonna have the interview over here.
Yo,
Raven.
I'm waiting.
Probably
I'm talking
because
to
he
her one
does.
now.
No, you ain't. No,
Sir, I'm a
keep
medical
walking away.
professional. I can
Walking
remove
that
that
way.
stick up your ass.
You gotta go that way.
Did anyone just see Charles Long?
That's perjury.
Mm-mm.
The fuck was that?
I just want to
Oh, you
introduce you
guys
guys.
cannot go in there.
What do you mean,
Hey,
bro?
poor boy.
You cannot go in there.
Why not, bro?
Look, then we got our
God,
bot
God,
right here.
Hell no.
Our bot.
Could you get them out?
Give me, hey, you got time for an interview.
Yeah, bro. You got time?
Yeah, what's up?
Alright, you wanna tell us what the fuck is going on here?
Oh my god!
Yeah, sure. You got questions? You want me
Yeah.
to just go?
Yo, what the
Oh,
fuck's
go
going
ahead.
on, bro?
I can just say it.
A
Come on,
couple
record that.
couple months
That
ago,
way,
we
Bill,
had
get
an
that
I
way.
got it. I got it. Yeah, we
That way,
got it.
Billy, right here.
Yeah, we got it.
Yeah.
We got it.
Yeah,
What at you?
yeah. Perfect. Alright, continue.
Yeah, so a couple months ago, we came in and
That's the big water done. You gotta dig into the mic.
yeah, it's better, bro.
Yeah, that better.
Can you hear me?
Right there.
Yeah, bro.
That
That's
pause
better,
right
bro.
there.
Hell yeah,
Okay,
bro.
Okay, I got you, brother. Alright, like 4 months ago, whatever. We were just, enjoying a nice hard day of saving people's lives and doing some training. We go to stop a burger shot and get some food, get a meal, and we were served bad. We weren't given our meal. We were served spoiled meat. It was just it was so much after such a long hard
What
day.
kind
and
of
then,
sandwich was it?
Yeah, what type
Basically,
of damage was
Everyone
that?
wants to know what kind of sandwich was
Yeah,
it.
bro.
Yeah, what type of damage was it?
what type of damage was that?
Sandwich.
Sandwich,
Well,
bro.
Sandwich.
bullshit,
Oh,
yeah,
my
man,
bad.
what kind of
Yeah,
sandwich?
Hey,
Easy
Walmart
question.
It's
John
the
Wick, come here.
accent. It's the accent. I apologize.
That'd be alright.
It should have been a heart stopper, brother.
Is that what it was?
What the hell was that? I never went
Yeah,
to
what the
Burger
fuck
Shot.
is that, bro?
It's some sort of burger they have there. I don't know. It was like my second time in Burger Shot ever.
Alright.
It was suggested
don't
to me
even know
by
what
the,
kind of
the
sandwich it
chief
was?
of the hospital.
He don't even know what he got there.
Wow.
Damn, bro.
I mean, I'm not the one who ordered everything either.
Look, that Colonel Sanders right
So
there.
you don't really know anything then, do you?
Not really, man.
Damn,
Well,
bro.
then, well then, that's a fucking you. What?
I think we picked the wrong person, Pat.
Yeah, Pat.
we
you
in
This
the
is
should
wrong
probably
wrong
talk
person,
to the
bro.
lawyer, my guy.
Damn, bro.
I've been out. I submitted this like 4 months ago, man.
Yo, bro,
This
let's
is
go to the
first
other guy in
lawyer
the
to
suit,
actually
bro. Maybe he
get
knows
back.
more.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
go
we started
good.
this person right here. Excuse me, so.
Well, that nobody there, Billy. That's a there.
But this guy right here, Pat.
Alright.
Oh no, this will suffice.
Yo, bro.
You wanna tell us
Bro.
what's going on here?
Excuse me, so.
Yo, bro.
Hey, what's up?
You wanna tell us how you think it's going?
Yeah, seems
I'm gonna go tell
to
him
be
he's
going
going for
fine.
John Wick. See if he runs
I
away.
guess.
That's
I'm
your
not really
opinion.
sure.
That's all you're
Yeah,
gonna give
that's your
us.
opinion.
That's like one line. We can't even print
See,
that.
my boy Blanky, he's in the doorway. So if you give me $20, we can get him to go your way.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Really?
$20.
Yeah, bro. $25, bro.
Really?
Hell yeah,
I
bro.
don't know, man.
$20. He bring
$30, bro. We can guarantee that bitch, bro.
Not really, I mean, honestly, what it comes down to is, we win, it's fine. We lose,
So no one's
Burger
ever
Shot
gonna know
closes
about it. So.
permanently.
Yeah,
you
no
know
one
what I
ever
mean?
knows. Everyone's
We'll
gonna know
have to
about
say
it.
what
Yeah,
to say.
bro.
So,
Hey,
Well,
It's
maybe
stitches
I
get
guess we
stitches,
should
man.
interview some of these people back
especially
here.
in this city.
yeah, they
No,
probably
they
have
think.
really good insight. You should.
They probably do.
Holy shit, they're actually discussing it like a good jury.
What is going on?
It's actually really good. I don't even have to watch them.
Hell yeah.
Yo, Pat, let's go rob a bank,
Bill,
bro.
EMP on what's going on.
Oh, there's some cops.
What? I'm down.
What?
Excuse me, officer. Would you like to rob a bank? Hypothetically, of
Colonel
course.
Dan, you
Excuse
got
me,
anything
so
you wanna
you got
say?
anything you want to say?
Hey, officer. You looking for a good time?
What follow me? Wait, get done.
Officer.
Oh, fuck you, bitch.
Are you doing? You ain't got nothing today. Put the camera.
Nope. Officer, no hats in the courtroom. Anyone wearing a hat, tell them to take it off.
Okay, no problem.
He's
Yeah,
wearing a hat.
do your fucking job,
Take your
jackass.
mask off.
This is a mask, not a hat.
You don't.
Judge,
You can't wear a mask either.
thing.
It's COVID season.
Yeah.
Hmm.
That guy in front of me is literally wearing a hat. What the fuck do you
Yes,
mean?
ma'am.
Take your hat off.
That's what I
Not
thought.
wearing a hat.
You are wearing a hat.
Bro, you look like Colonel Sanders,
You can't
bro.
say that you got a hat.
Oh, can you take it
Yeah,
off?
you got a hat on.
Yo, why do
Oh,
look
can you
like
take
a
it off?
Tech Power
Oh, who's
Center?
though? It's my favorite Waker's hat.
Yeah.
Thank
Put
you.
it. Yep, that'll be alright.
Should I put my
Alright.
mask
Ah,
on
you motherfucker.
instead? Can you make it
Alright.
warm?
I'll be alright for now. What goes
Yo,
on?
bro, those cowboys back there has a bunch of hats on,
Excuse
bro.
me, Bo. Do you have anything you want to say about this trial?
Yeah, bro, I don't know what the fuck's going on. Billy, let's get your ass in gear, bro. Give us away.
I don't know where we're going.
Oh, Bella, don't speak on the behalf of Weedle Nude.
Perhaps.
Yo, bro.
Yeah. What's your thoughts on the 12 so far?
Be a wolf. Be a wolf.
Just heads, bro.
Hey.
Anybody got any word on the 12 that's going on?
Listen,
Yeah,
please,
bro.
No shoes, just a hat.
If you have any shred of
Yo,
respect
move
for
your
your
piece of
law
bacon.
enforcement officers, please take off your hat.
Hold up, how's that to do with the law?
There's about to be another court case.
Y'all want to get arrested?
Oh my God. You said if you have respect for the law.
Alright, they said please arrest him.
Like, no offense, but when did the law have to deal with hats?
This is disorderly.
Can you mind telling me? Can you just give me a
Breach of peace.
If
If you turn to the right, you should be pointing the right way.
Thank you.
Alright.
Taxi Mexican.
Oh, man, you just look way there. I can tell.
I could go, you small penis boy.
What the fuck's with the baldy?
Miss, you can leave the court early.
That one right there. That one's bald in my eyes. That just ran in.
You can leave the courtroom, sir.
That's a woman, you
Sir,
Wait, how do you know it's a sir?
You can leave the
Did you
courtroom.
just assume
They all look like crackheads.
2021?
I don't think that's a court case, bro. To be honest. What the fuck, bro?
Oh, shit! What in the hell? Oh, wait, I'm a doctor! I'm a doctor!
What the fuck? Alright, Thomas, I
think you're-
I got him. I got him.
You're all good. You're all good.
God, dude. Fuck a terrorist.
Yeah, you're fine. You're fine.
Alright, who's getting robbed first? Bruh.
Alright, well, apparently we had a wizard just come in, so just stay inside for a little bit.
We see that you're down. We are working on it. There are only so many of us.
Christ, dude.
What did you tell him?
I already covered him.
Wizards.
No, I was talking to Deanda.
Damn, bro.
You couldn't kill me last
Fucking
time,
wizards, bro.
You look weird.
Why am I escorting you? What the fuck is going on?
happened? What the fuck? Oh my god.
If you are revived, can you please move away from the deceased so we can pick them up, please?
But I like them unconscious. EMS woman.
What was that?
Yo, bro, you like my boots, bro?
Keep them down, keep them
Yeah,
down.
bro, I stole them off a cop, bro.
We had a terrorist attack, lots of bombings. We should recover
Oh
soon.
man, what the fuck? If you are injured and need to be healed, can you please raise your hands?
Oh my god, a suicide
My
bomber,
heart.
really?
What the fuck?
I got him. I got him.
Alright.
Just put him down.
I got it. If you are injured,
In the front.
please raise your hands. Tyrone, are you injured?
I knew something was suspicious when I saw him standing outside then.
Yeah, I was literally about to kick him, and I fucking didn't get him in time. I was literally looking
If you
just
are
as I fucking
injured,
did it.
last
so-
chance. Please raise your hand and we will bandage you up.
Maybe. Should I go
Oh my god.
Yep, go ahead and go patrolling.
What a day.
Thank you, Jack.
All right, we have a verdict.
Oh, trial's back, guys. Be careful.
Don't kill us this time, officer, please.
All right, EMS, we should split away from each other just in case that happens again.
Yeah. Good idea.
We deserve our hats on after that.
Alright, can everybody get back in their seats? The jury has reached a verdict. Will be
I gotta
announced
get
in
back
just a
up
minute.
your building.
Yeah,
Get back
bro.
over there.
You guys are all okay, right?
Gary, nice ass.
I don't know how I didn't fucking die.
Pretty good going.
Oh, I agree. They did that in that sense.
Oh yeah, dude, it was a cop. I'm willing to bet it was a cop that placed the bomb.
What's so funny, motherfucker?
Order in the court, please.
It was all about the hats, man.
Alright, if you need to join, welcome back in now.
If you are not a juror, you cannot be speaking after this point. If so, you will be held in contempt of court, and that
So
does
I'll
come
be
with
going back to the seat now.
jail time.
Talk to your boys. You guys need to go.
All right, be seated at this time.
Constipation, dog.
You may all be seated at this time.
That means everybody, please.
Sit down.
You sit down.
All right. Who is the foreperson? Please stand. All right, sir, please state your name.
Enrico Lee.
All right, Mr. Lee, announce the verdict of the jury.
The jury decided the defendant is not guilty.
All right, and do you have any recommendations in this case, Mr. Lee, on behalf of the jury?
Yeah, we the jury suggest compensation for the meal and maybe a couple of extra colas.
All right. Case is closed. Everyone is dismissed.
All of them.
You
Well,
been
we
to
gave it a shot.
Yeah, we
the
did.
we twisted the word too, man. You twisted
Wait,
the
Burger
word.
Shot won?
You
already
almost
said
said
that.
Hey, officer.
You know.
You almost said
Uh,
that.
hold on, come with me.
Oh, somebody
Alright,
Oh.
can we get, hey,
Hey, you looks like Grandpa, bro. When they're red, bro. Yeah, come here.
can we get an interview now? Oh, apparently not.
Damn, bro. They don't like us,
Ain't
bro.
nobody wanna do an interview.
What about her, bro? These guys look like they want an
corner,
interview,
dog.
bro.
After this.
You wanna do an interview real quick?
Interview, bro.
Yeah, Pappy, sure.
Did you, alright, how'd it feel to come out victorious?
You're so fucking.
It feels great.
Oh,
It's
go
my
ahead.
first case argued in the city. I feel pretty confident.
Yeah, the wait till you have to do my case, that's gonna be a bad one.
Yeah.
That's gonna be a easy one, big one.
Yeah,
We gonna be
it's gonna be-
millionaires.
yeah, it's gonna
we
be
gonna be
easy, though.
millionaires.
Yeah.
See you later, bye.
Anyway, what's that fellow's name again?
Oh,
This is
yeah,
Mr. Zach Brandt.
That's
Alright.
winning. Alright, so
yeah,
how'd it
yeah.
feel to be come out victorious?
I don't know how to do that.
Mr. Blandy, can you speak up, please?
I just
Yeah,
know how
bro.
to
You
catch
gotta
criminals.
speak up so that way the people inside the camera can hear you.
So, yeah, bro.
To be honest, I'm pretty irritated about the whole scenario in
Uh-huh.
the first place, so it doesn't feel
Uh-huh.
that great, but we'll get it taken care of and make sure Burger Shot is cool
How's it
again.
feel to be the big winner and now own a burger shot?
Oh, bye, Castle.
Yeah, bro.
I'm not the owner of Burger Shot. I only own 20%, so I'm a
Why
minority
the fuck
owner.
are we talking to this guy?
Yeah,
You're not
bro.
even
I
own
really
it.
don't know then. See, I've been one doing
Yeah,
that.
what the fuck, dog?
What the
But it
fuck,
be alright.
bro?
We got what we need
Okay,
for
we
Mr.
got what we
Waven
need,
right
yo.
here. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Mr. Waven.
Thank you, Ms. Maywood.
Thank you, Miss Wavered.
That's why you're the bad.
They tried, right? At least they tried.
Alright,
Yo, let's talk to
go,
this
fella.
jackass right
We
here,
got-
bro.
we
Yo,
got-
jackass, you wanna interview, bro?
Who's
Yeah.
this?
You
How
want
do you guys feel about my performance?
About what?
10 out of 10.
about the can that just happened? That's what
go
done
celebrate
happened.
this.
We didn't even waste the
What, are you a
damn-
dumbass, bro?
Like,
Damn,
I was
bro.
like
Yeah, I
falling
wanna have a
asleep.
party.
Damn, bro. You're a
Wow,
dumbass,
really?
bro. Hear that,
Alright,
Pap?
Oh my God,
He was
let's not
kinda
ever
stupid.
talk
Yeah.
about
Alright, well, whatever. Let's
Isn't
go back
this
to
the
headquarters.
dog?
Let's go
Yeah,
back to
bro.
headquarters.
And he was
Yo, let's go
Yeah,
rob a
yeah.
bank, bro.
Yeah.
Fuck
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
Well, I can't do
Bank
that.
dog
I got
is
promoted
troll,
to
yeah.
judge, bro.
What? Really? Really? You're judge.
That was pretty good.
Hey,
What, Pappy?
I need you to help me
Yeah,
with
but
that.
took a long time.
Alright, we're coming in.
Way too long. The judge
so
for like 4 hours.
we gotta do the thing behind the big table.
Yeah, bro.
What do you
That
mean?
was wait. We gotta go to a big table now.
Well, we did it at the big table and we did it.
Hey,
Happy about
Pat,
the
I have a-
13
okay,
channel
follow me.
Fox News.
Pat, I have a great idea.
Yeah,
Yeah,
channel
bro.
Fox News, yeah.
Yeah.
I have a great idea.
That way, Billy. One thing, great idea. Great idea.
We talk about
How about then?
And we'll wait till we get into the vehicle.
Alright.
That's Ben's.
Nice what, huh? You gonna call?
Pretty
nice
good.
text?
Kind of liked it.
Good, okay, I guess.
Kind of
Nice
just.
text.
Alright, yeah, let's go back to the car.
How'd it going up with the... Somebody walked out my window.
Damn, bro. Yo, where's Frank and... Oh, shit, bro.
Yeah, there you go. I'm not sure. I have to track him down. Oh, we're gonna go a little right here.
Hey,
There you go. Oh,
I'm
Hey,
over
oh,
here.
no.
I'm over here. Over here.
Yeah.
Billy, this way.
Fabs, can I have my hat back?
Oh, yeah, I gotta get your hat back. Give me a second, Billy. I'm gonna go ahead. Yeah. Wait, I'm gonna put it back on your head, yo.
Thank you.
Go ahead. You're welcome.
Fabs, this one feel different. Is this the same hat?
It's the same hat, yeah.
You promise this is my
I
Wiggers
promise
hat?
it's the same hat.
Thank you.
Yo, Pap, we can't get in,
Doors
bro.
Yeah,
locked,
give me a
yo.
second. Give me a second.
I'm thinking about the wrong spot. It won't open.
There you go. Right there, Billy. Try it again.
There we go. Pap, I have a great idea.
Yeah.
Remember a guy that said he didn't want to take out $25?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
What if we take the video I got and then maybe Cap or someone can pretend to be him and we'll do like a voiceover and be like, yeah,
Oh,
bro.
yeah, bro.
I'll do it,
Yeah,
and we can,
do it.
we can like maybe get some money off him or something. Or we can do him.
Oh,
We can
sick
back
trip,
him.
Oh, hell
False
yeah,
flag.
bro.
It's a false
What
flag.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Yo,
Yeah.
can we get a news van, yo?
That would be kind of cool, bro.
Oh, bro. Oh, my neck, bro. Damn.
Let's check with the company.
Perfect. Right there. That's perfect.
Perfect. Let's go inside.
Bro, he just hit. Bro.
101, 1041.
Wow, bro.
Oh, Billy. That's okay, Billy.
Hold on. Give me a sec. I gotta try to figure out how to even get one out.
Do we even need this guy?
Yeah.
That's true.
Are you told?
Yeah,
I
we
don't
need
think we
that
do.
man. Yeah, we need that
We?
man.
What we aim for?
Yeah, we do. It that
Hey, don't-
work that detriment there. I don't know. There's too many.
Oh, we
too
gotta
many
teach us how to work the system. Well,
Yeah,
we
bro.
can teach us how to work the system, and we don't need him anymore. Why?
Yeah, hold on.
Bro,
Trying
yo,
to-
Frank, bro.
Trying to figure out how to pull a van out.
Yo,
for
bro,
you guys.
fuck the EMS, bro.
I was like, yep.
Yeah,
Fuck
bro.
them, yo.
Hell yeah, bro.
An EMS.
That'd be alright.
Where the fuck is van at, yo? Is it?
Fab, did you get the pictures I was drawing?
Oh, I don't. Did you
Have a
send
look.
them over email?
Wait, I think so. I have a look.
Hey,
Yeah,
what's
let
up,
me
Have a
Newsies?
look.
Yo,
Yeah,
bro,
I
are you
would.
doing gun license,
Yeah.
bro?
Not. Who is this?
Are you doing gun license, bro?
I need to know who this is so I
Hey,
can tell you if I'd even be able to give
Pops.
you one.
Yeah, bro. This is
Check your,
Bob Smith,
email.
bro.
Bob Smith? Alright, let me look you up in my
Yo, what?
MVT real
Yeah,
fast.
bro.
Telling
Just a moment.
dude in
Then
the
I'll
red.
save you the time
Pops,
of either
check his
having to
email.
come down.
That Blanky.
Yeah, bro. That's
That
Frankie,
Frankie.
bro.
I'm
Uh-huh.
Babbed.
No, bro. I'm talking to somebody
Oh,
else,
wow,
bro.
found
Oh, hell yeah,
Oh,
bro.
look at that
News
boy.
van.
Oh,
Hell yeah,
yeah,
bro.
right.
Bob
What'd you think
Smith.
about, dog?
Okay, yeah, if you come by
Oh,
MRPD
what
with
the fuck? I did too, dog.
identification,
It wouldn't let me.
I'll be able to give you a gun
Oh,
license. You don't have
yeah.
any previous.
Oh,
Oh, hell yeah,
record.
bro. Oh, hell yeah, bro.
Hell
Okay,
yeah,
thanks so much.
dog.
All right, bye, bro. Oh, shit, bro. Yo, Pappy, bro.
I can't get rid of
Pappy,
it.
bro.
Someone else has to get rid of it.
Yo,
Can't get rid
Pappy,
of it.
bro.
How'd it doing, pal?
Hey, Pappy, I think we can get you a gun license, bro.
Oh, well, that too.
I gave them a false name, bro. I gave them
That'd be
Bob
alright.
Smith, bro.
Okay, I'm doing by and tell them about it.
Bro, oh, bro, we got a helicopter, bro? Hell yeah, bro.
Look at that. Perfect. Perfect.
Can we use this, bro?
Why not? If we was able to grab it.
Witty. Oh wait, you want to throw it out of work that big table in there with all the
Hey,
buttons?
boss.
Yeah,
boss,
bro.
Should I park this again? Can someone help me in so I can park it?
Yeah, that'll be alright. Yeah,
I'm coming.
yeah, I'll open the door for you. I'll open the door for you.
I'm coming. Come park it.
No, that way, Billy. That way. Billy, that way. That way, Billy. That way. Ignore that, Billy.
yeah,
That
I'm
way,
coming.
Billy. That way, Billy. That way.
This way, Billy.
You gotta go that way, Billy.
Oh, yeah, Pap. Come in.
You know that way,
Oh,
Billy.
God.
That way.
Pap.
We'll park
That
it
way
later.
again.
We'll just
Pap,
park
I'll
it
get
later.
with
That'll be
Izzy.
alright. That'll be alright. We'll just that
Yo,
way.
bro,
We'll
you
park
looking
it
to
later.
die, bro?
Say so, Pap.
Oh, we can't threaten our boss.
Oh, that's our
Alright, you wanna
boss,
throw
bro?
it out
Oh,
on
shit,
that big
bro.
table in there?
Oh, damn, bro. That's a big weapon, bro. Where'd you get that at?
Yeah, not that way, too.
I got this, bro.
Alright, Billy, that way, Billy.
Come in.
That way, Billy. Billy, that way. There you go.
Come in.
Yeah, I got the door for you, Billy.
Come in.
Yo, Billy, bro, this way, bro.
Come
More to your left, bro.
in. Come in. Oh, there he is.
There you go, bro. It's gonna be those stairs, bro.
I went. Oh.
Hell yeah, bro. You got it, bro. One more step, bro.
I hear him. That what Bud was win. Found it. I think I found it.
Hell yeah, bro.
This is a Weasel move.
Yo, bro, where'd you get that gun at, bro?
Got it from a friend.
No shit, bro.
You want to see how it feels to get shot by it?
No, bro.
Perfect. Why you did it? Perfect.
You gonna shoot me, bro? Ow, bro.
Cam, I got.
Shot Cap, dog.
Damn, bro. He shot me, bro.
Okay, Pap, I'm waiting.
Alright. Alright, make sure you point that way, Billy.
I am pointing at you.
Motherfucker.
Oh,
I can kill him.
There we go.
No, Billy, that way, Billy.
I am pointing at you.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect.
Oh, that's some good shit, bro.
Did you
Oh,
just do code in my fucking newsroom?
hell yeah,
It's
bro.
Technically my new room, but that'll be alright.
Technically, it's not.
Technically, it'd be.
The angle is hit with news.
That'll be alright. Alright, yep. See, I'm doing
y'all
doing
have
in the
fun.
big deal right now.
Yo, bro, does anybody have any
Cap?
Band-Aid? Yeah, bro. Oh, bro. The hell, bro?
Hey, Pap,
Alright.
you want to do the
Alright.
story?
Yeah, let me know when you're ready.
I forget what they do in the movies.
3, 2, 1, and then action. You gotta dream action.
3, 2, 1, action.
This is Pat Boxiar with Channel 13, 12 Beetle Nude. We've been coming back at your wife from 12 that we were just that in on. It was alright, but I mean, in the end, the bad guy still gets away with the crime. But coming up, we'll tell you the story and give you a little walkthrough of what happened during the 12. But that'll be alright. What do you think, Billy?
Problem.
Yeah.
I can't feel the beeping. When it does the beeping feel on my fingers, then it's recording, but I can't feel it, so I think it's off.
Oh, well, you might want to make sure you turn it on.
Hey, can someone help me?
Yeah, bro, I got you, bro.
Oh, thank you.
Let me hit that
Still
button,
recording?
bro.
Thank
Oh,
you.
it's
Yeah,
live
please.
now, bro. You feel it?
Thank you.
Rumbling, bro?
Oh, wait,
Yeah, I
do we
feel
ready?
it.
Hell yeah, bro.
Oh, wait,
Alright.
let me. Okay, wait,
Oh,
let me
you
count
did-
again.
Yeah.
Okay, 10, 9, 8.
Yo, bro, I got a lot of
6,
bleeding, bro. Anybody got any oxy, bro?
2, 1, action.
Alright, this is Pat Boxiar with Channel 13, we don't need Channel 12. We're coming back at you from a Wipe 12 that we did that in on, but it was all right. In the end, the bad guy get away with. I mean, the good guy get away with the thingy, and you know, they were pleaded not guilty, so that was all right. And then they circled around. We had a few questions, got a few interviews, but they didn't really seem to know what was going on either.
Fab, don't forget about the sandwich.
Oh, and they didn't want to eat the sandwich. That was the problem. They said the sandwich was a bad sandwich, but if you don't eat the sandwich, how do you know if it tastes bad or not?
That's true, dog. That shit's supposed to be rotten. You don't even know, though.
Yeah, exactly. If you don't eat the sandwich, how do you know? But the sandwich called the burrito. I would
Dog.
expect that thing to be at least a little bit, buddy. But that's all right. So, this is Kap Boxiar signing up with Channel 1213 Weedle News.
Oh,
Hell yeah,
cut.
dog.
Cut.
Perfect.
That was
Perfect. That's
Cut
it
it.
right
I
there.
think it's still
Cut it, dog.
recording.
It's
Okay,
still
I
recording.
feel
I'll
one
be
with
all
it.
right. Here,
Yeah.
I'll help you. Let me help you.
Oh,
with
bro, I'm about to die, bro. Oh, God, bro.
that. Like this,
shit,
but
dog.
like way here. That one way.
Okay.
Yo, bro, that bitch shot me, bro. I'm gonna kill him, bro.
Right there, right there.
I got a fly for you, bro. Hold on.
Damn, bro.
Reach him up. Come close so I can grab. Hold on.
I'm right here, bro. I got bleeding. Oh, hell yeah, bro.
Eat you some of them fries, dog. They be good.
All right, do we have everything we need for a really good Weedle News story?
I think so.
Yeah, bro. I think we
Think
got
so,
it,
dog.
bro.
Oh,
Yeah,
damn.
but I found a
Frankie,
big
you all right,
problem.
Frankie? What's the big
Yeah,
problem?
good, dog.
Camel wasn't working. Ben's got blind, I think. So it's all black.
It's all black.
I mean, I
Hey,
can't feel
you
the
didn't-
color.
Oh,
you
no,
didn't
bro.
record Any of it? Oh, boy, of course you can't build a car with.
Want to check for me? Hold on, let me hold it.
Yeah, hold it up.
I don't think it was a recording, Cap.
No, that
Then you
was
press the-
recording. You got it right there. That's it.
I think you took a picture, Pap. I don't want to keep pressing the record button.
Oh, we got record all that again.
Yeah, but Pap, normally when it's recording, then it gets heavier because there's more pictures inside. But it didn't get
That's
heavier.
not how it works, Billy. That's not really how
I'm
it
pretty
works.
sure that's how it works.
Are we sure you recorded any of it?
I'm pretty sure. Did Cap get any? Was he recording?
Not sure, dog. I think
Uh,
Cat might be bleeding
don't-
out. yo.
Yeah, bro. I think I did record, bro. Let me go check real quick,
But
bro.
he doesn't have the
Probably
little
check
end. He
because
doesn't have the interval.
mine wasn't
where-
recording. But it's I think I forgot.